Hello, Jane Cleland here. Any thoughts on how to describe an emotion or an abstract concept so that it resonates with readers? Well, remember what E.L. Doctorow said, that the idea is not to describe the rain. The idea is to describe what it feels like being rained upon. That's interesting, right? And for that, we go to our sensory descriptions. So how does whatever that emotion or abstract concept, how does it feel? Can you make it tangible? Does it have a smell? What about the sight of it, the taste, and so on? And you're saying, no, it doesn't. I'm talking about wanting to embrace evil. It doesn't have a smell. Ooh, are you sure about that? What would it smell like? To someone who wants to embrace it, I bet it smells musky in a good way. Maybe it smells sexual in a good way. But to someone who is trying to resist evil, it would smell like a rotten egg, fetid. Mm. So this is where imagination comes into play. Now, of course, it doesn't have a literal smell, but use your imagination. What does it smell like? When they look out the window and see approaching evil, what do they see? And this will help you come up with tangible ways to describe it, and it also can lead to interesting metaphors. I bet you can do it. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how do you work to describe intangibles, whether it's an abstract concept or an emotion. Put it in the comments section. And if this video had value, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that lets these videos become even more valuable for you. Thank you.